Good morning, good morning po, and thank you, Coach JT. By the way, I'm Nida Maran po, and 49 years old from Cabuyao, Laguna. But before po tayo mag-proceed sa aking topic, i-share ko rin po ang aking result. So, I use the products po nung una para mag-lose ng weight, and after taking it correctly, consistently, and seriously, nag-lose po ako ng 20 incredible pounds and 4 inches around my waist. Mas naging energetic po ako and nawala po yung mga discomforts. Now, I'm using the products also for healthy aging na po. By the way, din pong i-recommend sa inyo yung lahat naman po ng supplements kasi talagang talagang mas mapapaganda po yung result natin, mas lalakas po yung ating immune system. Pero gusto ko ding i-try nyo, lalo na yung mga bago, yung ating vitamins and minerals, yung NRG, and dahil maghahali din, marami ng handaan. We need this active fiber complex, fiber and herb, and also yung fiber band po natin para talagang hindi tayo mag-gain this holiday, no? By the way, ang background ko po, realtor po ako, part-time. Okay naman po yung income ko before. At the same time, full-time po akong housewife. But ang hindi ko lang po talaga gusto before yung lifestyle ko. So, limited po yung alam ko about health, about sa nutrition. Ang importante lang po sa akin before is yung talagang masarap yung kinakain. Ewan ko ba't ganun lang po before. But nung nag-Herbalife po ako, lumawak po yung knowledge ko about sa health and sa nutrition. Kaya talagang inayos ko po yung lifestyle ko. Ang hindi ko po makakalimutan kasi yung natutunan ko dito na yung health po natin, nasa mga kamay po natin. And kung ano yung ginagawa natin sa katawan natin ngayon, babawian po tayo in time. So, kung hindi yung magandang lifestyle ko, before, tapos in time magkakasakit. So, yun po yung kinatakot ko, no? So, for those po na nag-start dyan, so continue nyo lang po, talagang magbe-benefit po tayo dito. And dito po sa Herbalife, hindi lang po physical yung bago sa akin and for sa lahat naman po. Mentally, emotionally, and spiritually po. Kaya mas naging mabuting tao po ako dito. Gumanda po yung relationship ko kay Lord. And bukod po doon, we're very confident para i-share sa inyo yung products kasi marami po ditong trainings, especially yung popromote po namin yung mangyayari on January. Ito po yung spectacular kasi biggest event po ito ng Herbalife Nutrition Philippines and biggest picture po ito. So makikita nyo dito kung gaano kaganda po yung Herbalife. And dito marami ding mga personal development training. So you will become better every day po. That's why I really love Herbalife and so much for my result po. No? So let's proceed po sa aking topic. Etong what to eat for a balanced diet, nutrients you need each day. So pwede natin po itong isama ngayong holiday, no? Kasi balanced diet pa rin po dito. So ito po ay galing kay itong article na to from Susan Bowerman, our Senior Director, Worldwide Nutrition, Education and Training. So according to Susan Bowerman, nawala po ako.
Nandito ka pa,
Ay,
Liz.
okay, okay. Akala ko nawala ako ate. So, according to Susan Bowerman, finding balance is tough. So, talaga namang sa lahat ng aspect po, no, sa trabaho, sa ganyan, sa relationship, talagang mahirap po talaga. Especially, sabi niya, when it comes to nutrition. So, meal planning with healthy ingredient takes time po talaga. And kadalasan, nauuwi tayo sa, sa mas convenient, sa mga fast food. Kaya lang, sabi ni Susan Barberan, for us to look and feel our best, talagang kailangan ng katawan natin yung complex blend of nutrient each and every day. So, narinig nyo kanina dun sa balance sa healthy breakfast natin. So, pag sinabing complex blend of nutrient, ibig sabihin nito, ah, kailangan natin ng right amount of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, and fiber. So, ang dami po nun. So, that's a lot to balance nga daw. And even the most careful eater about their diet ay mahihirapan po na talagang masiguradong they are getting the necessary nutrients every day. But there are some easy ways po daw to combine healthy foods and supplements para meet talaga natin yung daily needs natin and makuha natin yung sapat na calorie balance para matulungan na tayong mag-lose or mag-gain ng weight or mag-maintain natin yung ating healthy body weight natin. Kaya in Herbalife, talagang meron tayong global nutrition philosophy na talagang ini-emphasize yung 40-30-30. Ito yung balance of carbs, protein, and healthy fats along with exercise and rest each day. So finding balance and developing a healthy routines will really help you live your best life nga daw. So ayan, next tayo. So here are the 7 elements of balanced diet para matulungan tayo na ma-visualize your daily nutrition goals. So, unang-una, dito ay yung protein. So, lagi nating naririnig, no? It's a macronutrient. So, ibig sabihin, we need this in large amount. It's also an essential nutrients na kailangan natin by almost every cell ng katawan natin para mag-function ng tama. So, we use protein para mag-manufacture ng important molecules, which is yung hormones and enzymes. So this means that your body uses protein as a building block to create important molecules, which is yung hormones and enzymes na may kanya-kanya din yung trabaho talaga para mag-function ng ayos yung katawan natin. Imagine nyo na magbibuild tayo ng house, you need a specific materials, di ba? Yung bricks and wood para mag-construct natin to. Similarly, yun din sa katawan natin, we need protein para mag-build yung essential molecules na ito yung hormones and enzymes. So, also, protein build and maintain muscle tissue. So, ibig sabihin nun, protein is essential for building new muscles kasi when we engage in strength training, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers or yung napupunit yung muscle natin. So, yung body natin uses ginagamit yung protein para i-repair to and para mag-build ng new muscle and making them stronger and larger. So, napakagaling ng ating protein. And also, it mini-maintain yung existing ng muscle mass. So, even na hindi tayo actively trying to build muscle, yung katawan natin ay constantly breaking down and building muscle tissue. So, si protein, very important siya sa ongoing maintenance process, preventing yung muscle loss. Kaya, 'di ba si coach sasabihin talaga yung ating protein intake at saka sa pag talagang in-evaluate na tayo, pag tinimbang tayo, pag nagkaroon ng muscle loss dyan, tatanungin tayo kung enough ba yung protein intake natin. So, at saka ang result nito, pag kulang talaga tayo in long term ng protein, yung talagang balat natin, magsasag siya. So, maglalaylayan yung balat. So, hindi natin yun gusto habang naglo-lose tayo. So, protein is also a great satisfying hunger. Bakit? Kasi si protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates or fats. This lower the digestion process, keeps you feeling satisfied, and nire-reduce niyo yung cravings, which can help na talagang konti lang yung kainin natin. So, ito yung mga dapat natin kainan, no? Yung mga animal-based, yung nasa taas, poultry, dairy, fish, and eggs. Sa mga plant-based naman, nuts, lentils, beans, including yung soybeans or yung tofu. So, of course, in Herbalife, meron din tayong mga protein shakes. So, narinig nyo naman kanina kung gaano kagaganda yung ating mga, yung Formula 1, yung it has 9 grams of protein, personalized protein powder, yung PPP na tawag natin. 5 grams ito ng every serving ng protein. And yung F1 Sport natin, 9 grams of protein din to. And yung Rebuild na napakaganda because 24 grams of protein ito every serving. So, kasi in every meal na re-recommend tayo na 15 to 30 grams ang matitake natin na protein. So, dun pa lang makukuha na natin kung talagang very busy tayo. So, hindi natin sasabihin na wala tayong time kasi ang dali lang gawin ng ating protein shakes. And of course, yung sa atin, um, second natin um, na kailangan na nutrients, which is yung ating carbohydrates, or your body prepares another macronutrient din kasi to, so large amount din. Kaya nga 40% tong talaga in-emphasize, no? Very vital part of healthy diet din to sa atin. And yung katawan natin, it's the main source of energy talaga natin or immediate source of energy. So it's important to get enough every day. So yun nga, 40% na calorie from whole grain, doon natin makuha vegetables, fruits, fruit carbohydrates. So ito yung mga complex carbohydrates which are broken down slowly by the body. So mabagal yung paglabas ng glucose nito na nagpo-provide ng sustained energy na tumutulong para ma-regulate talaga yung sugar levels. Unlike yung simple carbohydrates na iti-take natin or yung mga sugary, starchy kind of food na makukuha niyo sa mga baked goods, soda, or yung mga candies, these foods are quickly digested, leading to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels na nagpa-follow ng crash or sudden drop ng energy levels natin. So, yun yung iiwasan natin. So, kailangan natin dito ay complex carbohydrates. So, andyan naman yung mga example. Then, yung third na kailangan natin, itong ating fats. So, yung iba, pag sinabing fats, iniiwasan nila. But fats are type of nutrients na nagpo-provide din ng energy. So, kailangan talaga natin to. Ito ay tumutulong sa katawan natin para ma-absorb yung mga vitamins, fat-soluble vitamins. So, ibig sabihin nito, kung hindi natin tayo magtitake ng fat, yung mga vitamin A, D, E, and K, hindi din ma-absorb ng katawan natin. Your body also requires small amounts of beneficial fats. So, don't overdo it or don't get carried away. It suggests that while healthy fats are important, hindi din dapat tayo mag-consume ng excessive amounts. Ito yung reminder to maintain balance and moderation sa ating diet. Yung average, American diet contains more fat, especially saturated fat, kaysa sa recommended for optimal health. So, yung saturated fat kasi na makukuha natin sa mga red meat, butter, and full fat dairy products. And kaya lang, ito yung nagka-contribute sa high cholesterol level which increase the risk of heart disease. So, napaka-importante na limitahan natin yung intake ng saturated fats and piliin natin yung healthier na unsaturated fat found in sources na sa olive oil, avocado, and nuts. So, fats are calorie dense. So, mataas yung calorie niya, no? So, a small amount of fat can provide a significant number of calorie nga. So, they provide more than twice the calorie per gram compared to carbohydrates and protein. So, di ba yung per gram nito ay 9 grams? 9 grams siya. Unlike sa carbohydrates and sa protein, 4 grams lang siya every calorie, no? Which is why Herbalife Nutrition Philosophy talaga, nililimitahan nyo talaga na yung fat intake natin to 30% or less of your daily calorie intake. So, ayan. Ito yung mga pwede natin kainin. Fish, nuts, yung oils, olive oils, canola, and sunflowers, avocados. And of course, we're very lucky kasi meron tayong Herbalife line. It contains omega-3, anti-inflammatory to, good for the heart, sa joints natin and sa brain. So, you ask your coach kung magkuha ng mga to kasi yung salmon mahal to. And hindi na kayo magluluto dito sa ating Herbalife line, no? So, ang pang-apat natin is the vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are essential for bodily functions, such as helping to fight infection, wound healing, making our bones strong, and regulating hormones. So, while ang balanced diet can provide many of these nutrients, taking a daily multivitamins and mineral supplements ay makakatulong talaga para masigurado na you're getting the recommended amount, especially if your diet is lacking. So, yung vitamins and minerals are like tiny superheroes nga ng katawan daw natin. They're essential macronutrients, meaning you only need small amounts but they play a huge roles para maging healthy talaga tayo. So, without vitamins and minerals nga daw, sila laging sinasabi, magkakaroon ng traffic yung nutrients sa katawan natin. So, saan natin makuha? Sa fruits, vegetables, whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, or barley, whole grain breads, cereals, and crackers and pasta. So, also, we have this vitamins and minerals, no, supplement na makakatulong para makuha natin yung optimum nutrition talaga. It has 20 key essential micronutrients and antioxidants. And itong ating extra cal na napakaganda kasi meron tong vitamin D na makakatulong para yung calcium ma-absorb talaga and ma-utilize. So, di ba napakaganda ng ating mga supplements. And of course, yung ating panglima na kailangan natin, itong ating phytonutrients. phytonutrients, wait po. Phytonutrients, which are naturally occurring compound na makukuha natin in plant-based foods, offer a range of healthy benefits. These benefits include disease prevention. So, si phytonutrients, nakakatulong siya para protektahan yung katawan natin against diseases katulad ng heart disease, cancer, and stroke. And in-enhance niya yung immunity natin. So, making it better para malabanan yung mga infections, no? And of course, DNA repair. So, which ito yung nakaka-reduce ng risk of certain types of cancer nga daw. So, kailangan natin ng phytonutrients. So, by incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet, you can increase your intake of this beneficial compound. So, in Herbalife, mas pinadali, especially for those na hindi talaga magulay, no? So, we have this triple berry complex, which is made in cranberry, bilberry, and blueberries. And sabi nga, yung cranberries natin, itong ating triple berry, it is rich in source of cyanidins. So, tama ba to? Ulitin ko. Proanthocyanidins. Kasi napag-aralan na talagang nakakatulong to para ma-prevent yung urinary tract infection natin. This is also powerful antioxidants, also powerful antioxidant. So talagang i-take nyo, kung bawa yung meron kayong UTI, you can makakatulong tong ating triple berry. And also yung ating mineral herbal complex na nakakatulong para ma-remove yung water retention natin. So yung water retention natin na tawag dito ay bilbel, yung mga bilbel na usually nasa baba ito sa balakang natin, sa likod ng batok, sa likod ng hita, usually nakikita to, yung mga dimpling na sinasabi nila. So, sa mga kamay din. So, pag nag-take kayo ng mineral fiber complex, makikita niyo yung progress or mawawala-wala yung mga bilbil natin na to. So, ayan, yung atin namang pang-anim na kailangan natin, yung fiber. Fiber support the digestive process, helps fill you up or mas mabilis tayong mabusog kasi yung fiber is a type of carbohydrates that your body can't digest. So it moves through your system more slowly than other foods. So nakakatulong to para mas mabusog tayong matagal and promotes the growth of friendly bacteria in the digestive tract. So ito yung makukuha natin sa whole fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, and the best source of dietary fiber. But if you can't get the recommended 25 grams, kasi 25 grams talaga dapat, every day, you can work in fiber supplements, no? Itong ating fiber and herb and yung ating fiber bond. So, kailangan natin yan, especially ngayong holidays. And yung last na kailangan natin na akala nung iba, wala lang. So, itong ating water. So, water, kasi yung katawan natin, composed ng 70% ng waters, no? So, we need to stay hydrated in order to remain healthy talaga. So, water plays a crucial role in maintaining your body temperature din and talaga surado ni smooth and efficient functioning ng various bodily systems natin. Ito yung sa joints natin, organs, and tissues. And of course, laging sinasabi ni coach, 'di ba, you drink 3 to 4 liters of water. So sabi naman dito, kasi dito sa Philippines yun, kasi iba yung climate natin. So 8 glasses of water talaga yung nakalagay. But here in the Philippines, the Department of Health recommends that individual drinks at least 3 liters of pure water daily to stay hydrated, especially during hot and humid weather, no? So, ayan, pwede din nating makuha yung ating mga water or kung hindi talaga tayo mainom ng water, best hindi na ilagay ko dito yung picture. Yung water natin, lagyan natin, yung kanina, sabi ni Coach Cecil, yung water natin, lagyan natin ng tea and yung aloe talaga or pwede din namang plain sparkling or yung fruit flavored water. So, mas maganda yung aloe natin kasi talagang mas protected yung ating digestive system dito. And of course, yung ating itong ating high protein uh, coffee, pwede natin tong i-take para madagdagan yung water intake natin. So, this recommendation aims to prevent yung heat stroke talaga and dehydration, which are common concern in the Philippines due to its tropical climate. So, yun yung laging sinasabi. And of course, ito reminder natin, so na ano na natin, no? Next, uh, yung next, ayan, reminder natin, when it comes to balancing calorie, you have the control over both sides of the calorie equation. So you can regulate how much goes in counting the calorie controlling portion and keeping track on how many calories you burn every day by staying active. So whether your goal is to lose, gain, or maintain your weight, the power is in your hands. So nasa sa atin po talaga. So kung mas marami tayong kakainin, then yung ating workout or yung energy out nga, yung exercise na ginagawa. So, siyempre, gigain tayo. So, yun yung iiwasan natin. Dapat energy equals to energy out talaga tayo para ma-maintain. Or kung kailangan natin mag-lose ng weight, kailangan talagang mataas yung energy out natin. And of course, yung ating yung next, yung ating um, next yung last po, Ate Lisa. We're very confident na i-share po sa inyo yung mga products because our products are number one in the world in meal replacement and protein supplement combined, weight management and well-being, and active and lifestyle nutrition. So I hope marami po tayong natutunan. Back to you, Coach Jessie.